We are at the hospital. The administration is right there. Get in there.
I'm going to the emergency room, sir.
Get in there. Get out of my car now. Get out of my car now.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination, if you will kindly play.
Pulled into your destination. I said here I wait at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now.
It's at 7th James.
Get out of my car now. Get out of my car now.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you won't fucking get out of my car.
But you're not to yell at me.
9-1.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Get out right fucking now. Get out of my car.
You're facing.
I'm facing a fucking moron. Get out. No. No.
You have no right to scream at me.
I don't fucking talk to you any goddamn way I want.
Really?
Yes, I fucking will. And I have the right.
Where am I?
You're at a hospital. We need to get out my car.
Hello.
Can you get her out of my car, please?